Everybody has those plants in their gardens that can be, let's say, a little thuggish. An easy way to take care of that is throughout the season, check your plants, and when it starts going into more seed production than flower, then you know it's time to cut it back. This is a campanula here, and it can be very aggressive in the garden. So I tend to wait until mid-season, just when you could see it's only a couple blooms on the stalk, and start cutting it back. So that's what I'm going to do today, is just go through and just start cutting things back close to the base of the plant and get rid of some of these stalks that have blooms. Yes, you will lose some of the blooms, but you get rid of a ton of seeds that you're not going to want coming up in your garden later. Now, this will work with plants like this. I also have things like Tradescantia that can be very aggressive, and it's that time to start cutting those things back too. And now that you have this cut, you can see that it's more seed than flower. So you can just get rid of this, put it in your compost bin, or if you're worried that it's not going to be hot enough to burn off the seeds, then just go ahead and dispose of it in the trash. But then the next thing I need to do is, you can see here, I have lots of babies. So I don't want these growing around some of the plants that's in the garden. So what I'm going to do is actually get rid of some of these. You just take your hori knife or your trowel and get in there, dig up the plants, and you want to be very strategic about getting up all of the roots. This really works too with plants that spread by rhizomes. Go through and just dig up pieces and will really shrink the clump down. So go out, check things like your turtle heads, your salvias, echinacea, even your daisies. If they get too big of a clump to take up too much space, just go through and just start digging things out. Really, don't be afraid to do some editing to your garden. Even in the fall, you can do coreopsis that would bloom throughout the summer, but by fall, you would start having more than what you need. And this will really help with your maintenance in your garden. Go out, get your hands dirty, and start editing and cleaning up your garden.